Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have the second part of my Temu haul. This is the giant bag that they sent everything in. It was just bound and taped and just shoved in there. I mean, shoved in there. I got 11 products in total. I showed you 5 so far, and now I'm going to show you the other 6 that I have. This was a lot of fun to do, a lot of fun to shop. They have absolutely anything you could ever imagine. If you think of it, if you want it, you'll be able to find it on the Temu website. So that is the proper way to say it, is Temu. And it's just temu.com for the website. They do have an app as well. And I have a code. It's here, HERE285, and that will get you 30% off your first order. And when you go online, even without any offers or any 30% off, they have constant sales. And anything that you might want, just, put it aside and wait. It'll be on sale shortly. It really will. They have just incredible amounts of everything. They have clothing. They have purses. They have shoes. They have household everything. Absolutely everything you could ever want for your house. They have bathroom products. They have kitchen products. They have everything you need for cooking, and they have everything for your pets, for dogs and cats and other pets as well. And of course, I had to get a few cat items. They have the organizational items that they have, and the seasonal items that they have, and also all the products that they have for you to do your crafting, for you to do your diamond painting, and any kind of crafting that you like to do. You're going to find everything you need on the Temu site. And I saw so many people posting all these different videos, and I thought, I'm not going to bother with that. But you can't help but watch the videos because they're everywhere, and they're fun. The items are so much fun, and the prices are incredibly reasonable. So let me show you what I got. I'm just floored by all that I got. And most everything, by the way, most everything is under $5. And it is free shipping, and it's free returns in the US. So this is one of my favorite items that I saw when I first went on, and I'm like, I just have to have it. It's real kitschy, and I didn't, it's nothing that we need in our life. I mean, well, yeah, it's sponges, kitchen sponges, but look at how cute they are. They have all kinds of sponges. You don't have to get any cutie kind, but I thought, what the heck, I'm the cat lady. I'm Mary Catherine Loves Cats, so let's get these. They are cats. Can you see them? And they are sponges. So one side, see, everything comes wrapped really nicely. So I did take most things out of the packaging, but here is the cute label. It's just adorable, makes a nice gift as well. And then here is one of the sponges. So this side is soft and non-abrasive. And then this side also is abrasive, but you can use these on Teflon. And if you want, some sponges you can stick your finger in to keep a better hold on it. You don't have to, but you can. But it's a nice big sponge, and there are 4 of them. And this was, let me see how much this was for the 4. Hang on. $2.89 for these 4 sponges. And like I said, they have so many sponges. You don't need to get cute fancy ones. They've got incredible prices on a bunch of just, regular old sponges. And they have the type that for Teflon, the type of, I shouldn't say Teflon. Teflon is old, right? The type that won't scratch your pots, the type that you can use on ceramic, the type you can use on your plates, all kinds of sponges, anything you could ever want in the way of sponges. And next I have, this is just adorable. I had to get this because I've heard so much about this type of a bowl. This is a feeding bowl. You can put water in here, you could put food in here, and it is made of plastic, and it's very durable. It's very nice and solid, and the stand is like that. I did take the label off on the inside, and I have heard so much about how it's easier on your pets to eat from a raised bed. So I did just get one. It's $3.49. But I will probably get another one. I'm going to see how they like it, and then I will get another one because it's raised off the floor, because they do eat out of just regular bowls on the floor. So they have to put their head way down, where this way their head is up. And I've heard it's much better on their necks, whether it's for your cat or whether it's for your dog, that that elevation helps with their neck. So we will see how they like that. And plastic, just easy to clean. So I'm excited to see what they think about that. I wanted to see if Smudge would come up here because I have, Smudge, I have a brush that I wanted to show you. Let me just show it to you, and then I might, they're on, if you've seen part 1, they're on the mat that I got them. They love it. They just, it's so warm and cozy. It's like Sherpa, you know, like imitation Sherpa. This comes in many different colors, this brush. This brush is $3.48, and this is for all kinds of pets. And, you know, with cats, you have to be careful because their skin is very, very tender. And you have to be careful what you use. These they're little metal, but they have little rubber at the end. Can you see? So that should be gentle on them. And just, you know, just when you pet them, go gentle. And when this brush that I thought was so fascinating to me about this brush is, look, when this is filled with fur, you push this button and you take your fur right off of there and clean it out. I thought that was ingenious. Another ingenious item that I have found. So I'm excited to use that. I was hoping one would come up. Maybe they will, and we'll practice with that. And then I got this bathroom rug. The bathroom rug is, let me find the price of it for you, is $6.99, y'all. They call it imitation cashmere. So, you know, it is a nice sort of, you know, it looks like a regular bathroom rug. It's very, very soft. Very, very soft. It has a nice lining all the way around it. This is a good size. Not sure what that size is. They do come in different sizes, so, you know your sizing when you go in. I got some stuff on it. But it's very soft. Smudge, is that you? It's very soft and great when you step out of the bath. It's going to feel good on your feet. And look at the other side. Look how cute the other side is, y'all. So that is where your grippers are, so that it'll stick to your floor, your tile, so that you won't skid. You know, so when you step on it, you're not going to fall. But how cute they made that, instead of making it just lines or dots, they made it a cute design on the back. So just adorable. And then you can throw this in the wash. It came rolled up, so I'm going to put it back rolled up and put it over here. And then next we have these socks. And this, I just want to show you how nicely things are wrapped. These are a package of, I think there's six pairs of women's crew socks. They're 2 cotton socks, and they are $6.99 for 6 pairs of socks. And here they are, and they are adorable. All kinds of socks, all kinds of styles. I like this size myself. See, this one says Kitten Love on it, and look how cute that is. So this is where your heel goes. And then, you know, they don't come up very tall. I like that under my work slacks. So look at how cute there's different patterns. This, you know, like I said, they have many socks. They have some plain, they have some with different designs. These have the cats on them. Look at, this is the front and the back of this pair. And then this is the front and back of this pair. Just, they're super cute. And we'll keep going. Adorable. That's pair 3. Oh, it says Kitten Love on it. Pair 4. I just thought they were so cute. And there's pair 5. And that one says, I love kitten. I heart kitten. And then this pair. And aren't they just adorable? And they'll go, you know, I just love them. They're super soft. They're nice and stretchy. See, they have a good thickness to them, you know, but they're not too thick. I don't like the real thick socks. They have all kinds of socks. So you'll find all kind that you like. I like the ones that are a little bit thinner. I wear them with a dress shoe under slacks, you know, and then so these you can see through them a little bit, so they're not too thick. I get hot if they're too thick, but they have a nice band, so they're going to stay up. And then they're just decorated so darn cute. So you can wear these with gym shoes, tennis shoes, you know, or just wear them around the house. They're just adorable. With that on the heel is the cat. And kitten love. I love those. I love those. Okay, and then the last item I have for this video is I hate when I move my chair and it makes so much noise. I got this, y'all. You know, especially with pets, you have to sweep every day, several times a day sometimes. You know, if you don't necessarily have to sweep that often. But I love this kind of a broom that this stands. You've got your broom and you've got your dustpan. So here's the dustpan. It's nice and big, and this stands on the floor. So you just can, if you take it to, say you take it to the bedroom because you've got to sweep in there, you just can stand it there and it doesn't fall over. And being an older person, you know, you don't have to put it against the wall and then hope it doesn't fall or the cat comes running through and it falls and you got to get on the ground and get it. It's easy because here is the handle. You just lift it right up with that, and the broom clips to it. And how this came was in a box. And this pole, there's two pieces to this pole, and I did have to put it together. There were no instructions. You just screw the two parts together. Same with this. And the first thing I did, I put the pole into the space and it was loose. I'm like, uh-oh. So I looked at the pieces and realized that the thinner pieces go into the broom portion. Come on up, Smudge. And then it's a little bit thicker, goes into the dustpan. So you're sweeping, and this is a little out of order here because I have two cats that do different crazy things. Smudge chews on plastic and Blue chews on broom parts. So he's already chewed this up. Anyway, when you are done sweeping and you want to clean the broom off over the dustpan, you do, look at, can you see the grate up there? You put that there and go like that and clean your broom right off. Isn't that really cool? And then you put this down on the floor and you put your broom. It has a nice handle to hold on to, and you click it on there. And now this is just a color that I like. It comes in many colors and styles. There are all different kinds of styles. If you don't like this kind, there's the type that have a bucket that you can hang it up. My mom has one like that, where you hang it up and the bucket comes down. So it just depends what style you like. And they just have all kinds of cleaning products and all kinds, the organizational products. I know I've gone on and on about that, but let's see if Smudge will like the broom. I mean the brush. Smudge, you want to come over and, let me see, let me move him over here. He's not real big on getting brushed. Blue likes to get brushed more. Oh, hey, but he's letting me. See, but there's some plastic over here that he's chewing on. This is what he does. Smudge, you want me to brush you? You like that? Let's see. You know, when they're long-haired cats, so this should capture a lot of fur. See, they don't know what to do with the brush. You know who really loved to get brushed was Honeybee and Buddy. My dog Buddy loved to get brushed. We brushed every day. This would have been, they have bigger ones that are meant for your dog. This you can use on a dog, but they do have the big ones, which is what I would have gotten for Buddy. But you know, Buddy's brush, I would have loved to have that, where you just push on it. Well, we're not getting much fur off of you, Smudge. But anyway, y'all, I know I'm on the Temu train, and I did not expect to be. I wasn't gonna do it. There's some other companies that I've never bought from. I won't say their names, but I just thought that it was a bunch of junk, quite frankly. But the things that I'm seeing from this company are not junk. That's what made me decide to try it. And I have a few friends that have been showing videos, and they have wonderful people taking care of them. And I have Miss Doris, and she's taking wonderful care of me, and you know, guided me through and what to do and how to, she sent me all my links for all the products that I've received. I have all the links in the description. And if there's anything you're interested in. And like I said, now, if you go in and you see a different price than what I've told you, wait a few minutes, wait a day or two, and the price will change and the price will go down. And you may find it less expensive than what I paid. And I didn't pay expensive for anything. The bag that I got, the original price that it shows is $20, but it was $15.49. That's the sale price that it's on, that I've seen. Every time I look at it, it's $15.49. And it's a well-constructed bag. It's well worth $15.49. And then the Broom. The Broom was $12.59. It shows $19.99 and is crossed out, and $12.59. And like I said, they have many, many styles. So you may like a different style that is different pricing. So yeah, see, they don't really like to get brushed, but I'm trying to get you some fur on there so I could show you how that works. And you push that, and then there you go. Then you grab your fur right off of there. Isn't that neat? It's hard to see because his fur is light. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by and seeing my Temu haul. This was so much fun. Thank you to Miss Doris. Thank you to Temu. And thank you. Oh, by the way, you know, I meant to say this at the beginning of my video. T from Tea Time Adventures. She's a good friend of mine outside of YouTube. We met on Instagram a long time ago, way before she started her channel. It was when I first started my channel. And I just adore her. And she has some excellent Temu hauls. Go see her. I'll put her in the description below. She hooked me up with her lady, Miss Doris. And Doris has been so kind and so nice with Temu. And I just really enjoy everything that I've received. And I'm excited to see what else. I'm going to go shopping very soon. Thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.